Hey everyone, welcome to this phenomenal logo design course. My name is Shahir and I've been designing iconic logos for the past 5 years. To share my knowledge and expertise with aspiring designers like yourself, I have created a comprehensive and in-depth logo design course. This course also covers the advanced techniques that how to effectively utilize artificial intelligence to save your time and efforts in the design process. For your ease and better understanding, I have divided this course into 7 parts. In the first part, we will discuss about the basics of logo design and different terminologies related to logo design. Then the next step is brand discovery. In this part, we will discuss that what questions to ask, how to dig deeper into client's mind and extract as much information as possible that can help us to design an iconic logo. Then there is mind mapping, the process of analyzing and organizing ideas. In this part, we will also discuss that how to use artificial intelligence to collect effective logo design ideas while saving your time and efforts in the design process. Then the fourth part is sketching. In this part, we will transform our ideas into tangible sketches. Then, in the fifth part, we will convert our sketched logo into digital form. The sixth part is presentation. Once you are done with your logo design, the next crucial step is presentation. The quality of your presentation can make or break the worth of your logo. I have further categorized the presentation into 2 parts. First one is materialistic presentation and second one is emotional presentation. In materialistic presentation, we will simply discuss about brand logo, brand colors, typography, etc. And in the emotional presentation, I will guide you that how to create a compelling logo design story and convince the client that this specific logo is the best representation of their brand's personality, vision and values. Lastly, I will guide you that how to sell on Fiverr and also I will share my experience that how to get logo design clients outside the Fiverr. Remember that I won't only discuss the theoretical aspects of the design process, but we will also proceed with the practical case study involving a real life client. So let's dive into this phenomenal logo design course to unlock your creative potential and also to elevate your logo design skills. Thank you very much for your time and have a nice day.